Hello everyone, myself Shreyas Kulot. I am studying in Sanjeevani University. Today I am going to talking about the Lord Shani Temple, which is located in Shani Shingnapur. Shani Shingnapur is a village in Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district, renowned for its unique temple dedicated to Lord Shani, the deity associated with the planet Saturn. Located approximately 35 km from Ahmednagar city, this village has garnered attention not only for its spiritual significance but only for its distinctive practices and traditions. At the heart of Shani Shingnapur lies an open-air shrine featuring a 1.5 meter tall black stone symbolizing Lord Shani. This Swayambhu idol is believed to have emerged naturally from the earth, a phenomenon discovered by locals about centuries ago. The deity is enshrined under the open sky, adhering to Lord Shani, wished to remain without a roof over his head. Adjacent to the idol, trident and wood, along with the smaller images of. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Shani Shingnapur is the absence of doors and lacks in its houses, shops, and even public buildings. Residents believe that Lord Shani's divine presence protects them from theft and dishonesty. This tradition has been upheld from generation with no official records theft until 2010. One of the Swayambhu idol is rooted in local legends. It is said that Stephen discovered the stone when it began to bleed upon being stuck. That night, Lord Shani appears in Stephen's dreams, revealing his identity and expression, a desire to reside in the village without a roof over his idol. Lord Shanidev, also known as a Shaneshwar, is one of the Navgrahas in Hinduism and represents the planet Saturn. He is the god of justice, karma, discipline, and endurance. Shanidev believed to reward good deeds and punish wrongdoers, making him a powerful yet feared deity. He assures the villager of protection from theft and other crimes, promises that has fostered a deep sense of security and faith among the residents. Lord Shani was born to Suryadev and his wife Chaya. When he first opened his eyes, his father Surya spirit stopped moving, showing the power of his sight. Due to his adventure nature, he developed deep knowledge of dharma and become the lord of karma and justice. The temple attracts thousands of devotees daily, with numbers swelling to around 3 lakhs on Amavasya, considered highly auspicious for Lord Shani. Devotees perform rituals such as Abhishekam of the idol with water and oil and offer flower and relaxation seeds. A palanquin procession is also held during this special occasion. Another significant event is Shani Jayanti, celebrating the deity births. Shanidev is a great devotee of Lord Shiva, who granted him the authority to govern the effect of karma on humans. Because of this, he is also called Karma Faldata. One of the famous legends is the Shani Mahatmya, which tells how King Vikramaditya suffers the worth of Shani Dev during his 7.5 years period. But the ultimately emerged victories by in Vedic astrology, Saturn is a slow-moving planet and stay in its zodiac sign for about 2.5 years. Shani influence a person's career, discipline, hardship. He is considered a teacher who punish people for their past karma and help them improve. There are some Shani dosh occurs in people's life. First is Sadisati. This occurs when Saturn transits over a person's moon sign, causing challenges and hardship. Second is Daya, a milder version of Sadisati, also telling one's patience and actions. Shanidev is usually depicted as a dark-skinned deity with a serious expression. He wears a black or dark blue clothes, signifying his connection to Saturn. He rides a crow or vulture, representing keen observation and strict judgment. He holds a sword, bow, arrow, and trident, symbolizing power and justice. So, as we come to the end of this video, thanks for watching. just a place of worship, but a symbol of faith, justice, and divine protection. Whether you are facing a challenges in life or simply want to experience a unique spiritual destination, this temple is must be visited.